Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're going to fix this Sun Joe Dethatcher on Dad It Yourself. So I purchased this Sun Joe Dethatcher about a month ago and had great success with it. Hopefully you got a chance to see my unboxing video and see this thing in action. It does a great job, did an awesome job in my lawn. Unfortunately, I loaned it out to a buddy of mine and he used it on his yard, and I think the ground was probably a little bit harder than this thing could handle, and it stopped working. In fact, it comes on, but the tines don't turn. Take a look. So we're going to take this thing apart, see what's broken, see if we can fix it. But first, we're going to clean it up so I'm not working on a dirty unit. Alright, so there are 7 screws holding this on, including one hidden under here. Let's go ahead and take those out and get this cover off. So if you notice right here, when I turn the power on, this wheel will turn, which is just a cooling wheel of some sort, and it goes through on a shaft through the stator to this gear and this belt that turns the scarifier or the dethatching blade right here. So keep an eye on this. You'll see this turn, but the belt right here won't turn. So it looks like I'm going to have to take this apart and see what's going on in here. While I'm working on this, if you are new to the channel or a returning supporter, please don't forget to subscribe. That way I can keep bringing you awesome content like this project. Well, that gear looks okay. A little worn, but not bad. I don't know if you can see inside there or not. See what we're looking at. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but right inside there, little gear, hard to focus, is completely trashed. All the teeth are gone. So let me see what I can do about getting a replacement part for that. So good news is I was able to find out what was wrong with this Sun Joe Dethatcher. Bad news is Sun Joe doesn't make this part as a repairable unit that you can order. Good news, they are replacing this unit free of charge under warranty. Bad news, it is back ordered till August 13th. So 2.5 more weeks and I'll have a brand new unit. Hey, thanks for watching Dad It Yourself. Got some videos over here. Subscribe button's right there. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching Dad It Yourself.